Hi, this is Virginia Curry at 360 Malcolm Avenue, Bronx, New York, 10465. AOC, I wrote to you about an incident that happened to me, right? I want everybody to see it and let them make their own judgment on it. Because to me, the response was, fuck you. That's what I got from it. Fuck you. I don't care. One more time. Look at the day. That's my birthday. Pivley organization. See, I wasn't ashamed to say mental disability. You see that? Because I'm that bitch. Which is Cordelia Curry. Now, was that for me? Because this is what happened to me? Put me in handcuffs? Are you saying that this is for me? AOC, peace out.